Welcome to Pawsome Outdoor Tales, where we explore the magical bond between nature and the adorable creatures living within it. Deep in the heart of a snowy winter forest, a traditional Japanese house stands quietly, covered in a thick white blanket. Inside this warm sanctuary, two fluffy siblings are captivated by the colorful moving images flickering on the old television screen. The cooking show displays a traditional winter treat, bright red fruit skewers coated in crystal clear sugar that looks delicious. Mesmerized by the sweet treat, the kittens turn to their mother with wide, pleading eyes, silently asking for a taste. Understanding their desire, the loving mother cat smiles gently and nods, promising to recreate the sugary delight for her little ones. She heads to the kitchen and gathers the freshest red berries, preparing to transform simple fruits into a magical winter snack. With careful paws, she washes every piece of fruit under the cool running water, ensuring they are clean and perfect. The little ones watch with anticipation, standing on their tiptoes to catch a glimpse of the culinary magic happening above. She gently dries each berry with a soft cloth, preparing the surface so the sugar coating will stick perfectly later. One by one, the crimson fruits are threaded onto bamboo skewers, creating a beautiful line of red against the wood. In a copper pot, sugar meets water, bubbling away over a gentle blue flame until it transforms into golden syrup. The kitchen fills with a sweet aroma as the boiling liquid turns into a thick, glossy glaze ready for dipping. With the skill of a master chef, she dips the skewers into the hot syrup, coating them in a glass-like shell. The sugar coating hardens instantly, creating a crunchy shell that shines beautifully under the warm lights of the cozy kitchen. Finally, the moment arrives as the kittens receive their treats, their eyes sparkling with pure joy and gratitude for Mom. They take the first bite, enjoying the satisfying crunch of the sugar shell mixing with the tartness of the fruit. While they enjoy their snack inside, the weather outside takes a turn for the worse, with heavy snow falling relentlessly. Something outside the frosted window catches their attention, causing them to pause their feast and look out into the cold. Huddled against the freezing wall is a poor, stray kitten, shivering violently and desperately trying to find shelter from the wind. The little wanderer looks inside with sad, longing eyes, gazing at the warmth and food that seems so far away. The siblings look at each other, then at their delicious treats, realizing that their happiness feels incomplete while another is suffering. Without hesitation, they make a heartwarming decision, jumping down and running towards the door with their precious snacks in hand. They slide open the door, braving the biting winter wind to reach the shivering friend who is waiting in the snow. With pure innocence and kindness, they extend their paws, offering their own sweet treats to the surprised and hungry stranger. Overcoming its fear, the stray kitten steps forward and takes a bite, tasting not just sugar, but the sweetness of friendship. Mother Cat arrives at the doorway and witnesses this touching scene, her heart swelling with pride for her compassionate children. She does not hesitate to open her home, gently carrying the frozen little soul inside to where it is safe. By the warm heater, she uses a fluffy towel to dry the wet fur, rubbing life and warmth back into him. No longer shivering, the little guest transforms into a fluffy, adorable kitten, looking around the room with eyes full of wonder. To celebrate this new friendship, Mother Cat brings out a large platter of treats, ensuring there is plenty for everyone. They sit together in a circle, sharing stories and snacks, the former stranger now perfectly at home with new friends. For the first time in a long while, the rescued kitten feels the warmth of family and the joy of belonging. Mother Cat watches over them with a peaceful heart, knowing that kindness has made their home even warmer this winter. As the night deepens, they curl up together in a soft pile, drifting into dreams safe from the cold world outside. The storm may rage on outside, but within these walls, the power of compassion has created an invincible shield of love. This story reminds us that even the smallest act of sharing can change a life forever, and melt the coldest ice. From the sweetness of the sugar to the warmth of a helping hand, every moment today was a lesson in love. The little one has found a forever home, proving that there is always room for one more when you have a big heart. The morning sun rises over the forest, bringing a bright new day and a fresh start for this expanded, happy family. Laughter and joy now fill the crisp winter air as the kittens play together under the watchful eye of their mother. Side by side, they look towards the future, bound together by a sweet memory that started with a simple fruit skewer. Let this story be a gentle reminder to always share what you have, for kindness is the true sweetness of life. We hope this tale brought a smile to your face and a little extra warmth to your heart today. Join us next time for more adventures. This has been Pawsome Outdoor Tales, reminding you that kindness warms the coldest winter.